Hi guys, I'm going to be vlogging today. Joshua and I are starting our bathroom renovation. So we're going to be going out today, looking at a bunch of things that we're going to need for the bathroom. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. Joshua's just been in here measuring. So this is what it looks like now. Like, this is really sad. That's not even hung up properly. The house just like came with this randomly and it wasn't even like hung up right, so we actually need a new blind. So if I can find a picture of what this bathroom looked like before we painted, I'll insert that. It was blue, but we redid all of the trim in here already and I really like that. And then we just painted it white. But I found some inspiration on Pinterest of kind of what I want to do for this bathroom. I feel like my style is sort of like mid-century modern a little bit. So we actually ordered a vanity already from Wayfair and it's in our garage right now. And we haven't even opened it to check to see if it was okay or anything. So I think I'm gonna open it up, look at it, and I'll show you guys. But it's really cool. This was just kind of here, standard with the house. So what I still need to get, which we're going out today to get, is some little like wood pieces. I'll insert a picture of my inspiration. I sort of want to paint this room black. So everything in our entire house is white. Everything is painted white. And I kind of just wanted to do something crazy in here. So I love the floors already. They're marble. But yeah, the picture I found on Pinterest has like these little wood panels. I had thought about like shiplapping the whole room, but when I saw this, I just thought it looked a little more my style. So Joshua was just measuring in here. We're gonna pick up the little like wood paneling pieces. So I also still need to find a light for this room. I kind of want something like globy. I've done a lot of those globy sort of lights in our house, like these from West Elm, and then the one above our sink over there is sort of like a globy one. So that's kind of what I want to do in here. If you guys can hear Joshua out in the garage, I think he's opening up the vanity right now. But I want to get a different mirror. I'm not sure if I'm painting, like originally I wanted like this one that was in a black frame. I'm not sure if I still want to do that. And then the vanity already came with a top, so we still need to find a faucet. I'm gonna need to find like some little knobs for it. Probably a new towel rack, new toilet paper holder. I also would like to move the toilet paper holder to maybe the side of the new vanity because I think it looks nicer when you look into a bathroom and you just don't, like the toilet paper isn't such like a focal point, you know what I mean? But that's about it. I'll have to find some stuff to go above the toilet. I don't know if I'll do shelves or photos or something, but I'm really excited. So we're gonna bring you guys along today shopping. I'm gonna go out here and see if Joshua has the vanity open. Ooh. I guess I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't like cracked or anything. Ooh, I'm scared. It looks fine. I don't think we should take it out of here, do you? It's like halfway onto me though. Like it could fall. It's not even
I got it under control.
Alright, so this is the sink base. It's just white and very like square looking. We don't need to take it out. I don't think it's cracked. It looks like from the bottom it at least looks good. And I don't want to risk cracking it. Okay, so we're just gonna wrap that back up so we don't break it.
You break it, you buy it. Oh wait, we already bought it. Whoa! So this is one drawer and then...
Okay, so this is the color of it. This might be surprising to you guys that I picked this. So,
drawers. There's one opening and then that one opens down.
Yeah. I'll insert a picture of it because This is just super well packaged, and I feel like I should just probably leave it like this till we actually bring it in the house.
Nice.
What?
The whole back is open.
Oh, yeah.
So that we can get the drain
That'll
and
be
stuff.
Nice. But yeah, it's kind of like this whitewash wood, which might be surprising to you guys that I picked this, but kind of just wanted to do something different in there. So I think I actually kind of want to find some brass little knobs for it. I want to mix a lot of brass and black in that room. So that's what we'll be on the hunt for today. But I kind of wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of what it looks like. And then in the full bathroom reveal, you guys will obviously see everything. So it's actually really cold out today. So I think I'm even going to need a coat over this. I got this coat from Forever 21 a couple years ago, but I always get questions about it. I love it. It was super affordable, and it's actually held up super well. Before we leave though, I am going to bring in some coffee for the road. For some reason, I'm just really tired today. I don't do anything too crazy with my coffee. I just do light roast, and then I always add a little bit of creamer. This is the one I use. Sugar-free French vanilla. We're walking into Home Depot. This is our first stop.
Here's all the sconce lights.
I kind of want something like that.
That one there.
Brass and black on it.
Oh, the second one up?
Yeah, but I need more globy
That
looking,
one.
like more round. That's too farmhouse looking, I think.
A lot of other lights, but not what we're going for this half bath.
We're gonna go look at the knobs now.
To the knobs and pulls.
Okay, so this is actually kind of what I'm looking for. They're really good price too. They're like $4 or something. But I think they're like a little too not gold. Like they're a little like brown looking. Maybe not on camera, but in person I feel like they are. It'll focus. So I don't know about these, but if I can't find anything else, I might come back for these. So now let's go see if they have like a brass faucet or something.
Walking down the faucets, I don't see anything brass. That's gold, but it has silver handles.
I feel like a lot of this stuff you have to find online. Like our Delta faucet for our kitchen is brass, which we got from Home Depot, but I had to get it online. We're trying to get an idea of what this is gonna look like. So this, we're saying, is our, ow, I just gave myself a sliver. Ow. So this, we're saying, is our baseboard, which is it an inch? And then we're trying to figure out if we want to do the strips of wood, if we want to do them a 1/2 inch, which is like this, or if we would want to do them an inch out so they just meet out here. But if this is all painted black and this is still going to be white down here, I almost like the idea of doing something a little thinner so the white still pops at the bottom.
Like it looks like this is going into the baseboard. Like it's inserted in. Yeah, I like that.
Okay. So this is poplar wood, which is what we did everywhere else in our house for all of our other trim, but we'll probably look at some other options too. Since it's all going to be painted, I don't know that I necessarily care if it's poplar or not.
$5 a piece.
So Home Depot didn't have anything. Now we're going to Menards. See if they have something.
Yeah, Menards selection of sconces.
I'm really not seeing anything that I like at these places. They're all like very traditional in
Very
store.
generic.
Yeah, like what in the world is going on? I like this look if it was gold, brass, but
it doesn't
now
move.
I'm thinking like would black be cool though?
Ooh. No,
Ooh.
it doesn't bring the wall.
Or like this. This could be nice. Just a simple black.
That would disappear behind. Oh, the mirror's behind it.
It's on a white top vanity. They don't have like any brass faucets in Menards store either. At Benjamin Moore. looking at all of the different colors. It's the next day and I wanted to show you guys some stuff, but really quick, I did just cut my hair. Not too much, just like a couple inches off the bottom, but I really like it. So anyway, first off, before I get back to the bathroom stuff, I wanted to show you guys these little shelves that I have here. They're sort of in our kitchen. Our kitchen's kind of a mess right now, so I don't really want to show you guys. But I just took everything that I had on these shelves off, put everything on the counter. I just kind of wanted to simplify it a little bit, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. I really like the tall plant there. And then these are the frames that I just showed in my Target video the other day. But I was thinking they actually might look really nice in here. I felt like I needed some height and just some other things. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? So I'm trying to figure out what art to get in there. And I've been online looking at stuff. This is for the bathroom, and I'll show you guys this stuff in a couple minutes. But if you guys can tell, I'm showing you guys my computer screen. I found this little print from Minted, and I thought it was really cute. So I think I'm gonna put that one in the taller one, and then I'm looking for something for this one. I want to get like a few more pretty like cookbooks to have up here. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just working on that today. Another thing I want to show you guys is for the bathroom, kind of like my inspiration. Well, not my inspiration. These are things that I'm actually probably going to get. I think I might do this one. This is from the website Shades of Light. I think this one, this light is really cool. And it kind of goes with a lot of the other ones that I have. So it is $188, so I'm going to do some research today, see if I can find anything that's similar but maybe cheaper. And then I found this from Wayfair, this really cool mirror. It's on sale for $128.99 today. And I think I just like the shape. I like it a lot. It is brass, and I was thinking about doing a black mirror, so I'm not sure. And then taking you guys back into the bathroom. These are the little Benjamin Moore samples that I got the other day. This one is called Black Iron. This one is Black Tar. I don't even remember which one I was leaning towards. So I got these samples. I'm gonna test these out on the wall and see which one I like best. These are the only paintbrushes I have right now. They're just like these little touch-up ones. But that's just what I'm going to use to get the samples on the wall. So I think the trick is not to actually get any paint on my clothes. We'll see. Black paint. This could be bad. It almost kind of looks blue. Kind of nervous. Okay, so this is Black Tar. The next one is Black Iron, and I'm pretty sure now that I looked at the swatches again, I'm pretty sure this is the one that could potentially look a little bit like navy blue or just like super, super dark blue on the walls instead of looking more like a charcoal black, because that's kind of what I'm wanting. I don't want to do like black. I want it to be softened up just a tiny bit. So I feel like the Black Tar might work perfectly. But at the same time, yeah, this does look kind of blue. At the same time, a part of me worries that like maybe I should just be doing this room light gray, you know? So I don't know. Okay, here's the other one. A little time has gone by to see how my little swatches are doing. See if they're dry yet. You guys are probably not going to be able to tell at all on camera. like the undertones of these or anything. But this is black iron, this is black tar. And I think I'm gonna do black tar because black iron could look a tiny bit blue. So I just kind of want to give you guys an overview of this bathroom. I do love like the trim and everything, so I'm thinking I will leave that white when we paint and everything else would be black. But a part of me also wonders, like, should I be painting this room just like a light gray? Because I do think if I did a black mirror here, it would make it pop a little bit more. Because I am a little bit worried about doing the gold mirror and having like a gold faucet, gold light, everything, and then it being like too much gold. I don't know. So leave your comments down below. That's kind of why I wanted to do this video, because I wanted to get your guys' opinion about things too, because you guys can always be super helpful with that sort of thing. We are also getting the little strips of wood from an actual lumber yard. Joshua priced it out and it was actually cheaper to do that and a lot easier to get the exact size pieces that we needed. So that's what we're gonna do for the little pieces of wood, because I think we took you guys to Menards and Home Goods, or not Home Goods, Home Depot. You know where my head is at. But we took you guys to those two places and they didn't have what we wanted or needed or whatever. So that's what we're doing for that. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. I'm getting so excited about this remodel. I think my dad might be coming over tomorrow or the next day to help Joshua change out the vanity, which is gonna be so exciting. I will record the entire process for you guys so you guys can see the full reveal of everything. I can't wait. So give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Subscribe so you don't miss one. And I will see you guys really soon in my next video.